have no trust in the Electoral Commission of Uganda and this or any other institution. And here is the reason. President Museveni has over time rendered all institutions of government useless and impotent, for lack of any better word. Why? Because these institutions are filled not with qualified Ugandans, but his cronies and people that feed from his hand. The Electoral Commission, for example, is headed by one Justice Byabakama, and this is the same person in 2011 who was a state prosecutor and pinning Dr. Kizza Besigye, who was running against President Museveni then, who was pinning Dr. Kizza Besigye for rape allegations, which of course turned out to be an absolute lie. Now, these are tight people to the president, who unfortunately is the one that appoints the Electoral Commission. So I must say it right from the onset that we don't have trust in them. However, one might ask, where do we then get our trust from? Our trust, our confidence, and all our power comes from the people of Uganda. And that's why we call our movement People Power, Our Power. Why? Because we know that these institutions are not going to use magic. It is the people that are going to come out and cast their vote and guard it and then watch it be counted and watch it be declared. Because what we see on the polling station, what comes out of the ballot boxes is what is going to count. And that is going to be enforced by the people of Uganda. We have seen so many dictators with guns and bombs and missiles, but a people united and standing firmly, of course, in the face and full glare of the international community, we know that ultimately the people of Uganda, just like the people of Sudan, just like the people of Gambia, just like the people of,
Malawi,
Burkina Faso, and just like the people of Malawi recently, they have asserted their voices peacefully through a vote, and they have won.
Go for him. Don't be scared. Go and fight for the people of Uganda. Now the old man has suspended social media because he's a coward. He's scared of a free and open contestation. So don't be intimidated. Bobby Wine must be happy that the old man closed social media because of him. That shows the power of the youth. You have defeated him already. You have pushed him to engage in undemocratic practices because he's scared of the young brains. Why inspired, Bobby Wine? Go for it. We hope the Zimbabwean youth one day will rise like you and confront Mnangagwa and drop him down, because he's got no future in Zimbabwean politics.